The year was 1957. The world watched in awe as a metal sphere, Sputnik, soared into the cosmos, signaling a new era of human achievement. This marked the beginning of the space race, a period of intense competition and innovation. The United States and the Soviet Union, locked in the icy grip of the Cold War, found a new arena for their rivalry, one that extended beyond Earth's atmosphere. Every launch, every orbit, every spacewalk was a battle for supremacy, a demonstration of technological prowess and national resolve. The stakes were high. Technological dominance, national pride, and the potential for military advantage were all on the line. The race to the moon captivated the world, capturing imaginations and inspiring generations. Neil Armstrong's first steps on the lunar surface in 1969 seemed like a decisive victory for the United States. Yet, the competition continued, with both nations striving for further achievements. Both superpowers poured resources into space exploration, developing powerful rockets, sophisticated satellites, and ambitious plans for space stations, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. This era was marked by both fierce competition and a begrudging respect between the two nations. The shared dream of exploring the cosmos, the understanding of the immense challenges involved, created a fragile bond between the rivals, a bond built on mutual recognition of each other's capabilities. This fragile bond would be tested in the decades to come, as both nations continued to push the limits of space exploration. As technology advanced, the potential for weaponizing space became increasingly difficult to ignore, adding a new layer of tension to an already complex relationship. The end of the Cold War brought a tentative thaw to the space race, a period marked by intense rivalry and competition between superpowers. The International Space Station, or ISS, emerged as a symbol of cooperation, transcending national boundaries and political differences. A joint project between the United States, Russia, and other nations, the ISS was a testament to the power of international collaboration, showcasing what could be achieved when countries work together. For a while, it seemed like the dream of peaceful coexistence in space might become a reality. Astronauts from various countries shared their lives and experiences aboard the station. Astronauts and cosmonauts from different countries lived and worked together aboard the ISS. They conducted scientific experiments, tested new technologies, and pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. They shared the challenges and triumphs of space exploration, facing the harsh environment of space as a united team. The station, orbiting Earth every 90 minutes, became a beacon of unity, a testament to what humanity could achieve when united by a common purpose. It was a floating laboratory and a symbol of hope. But the specter of the past loomed large, reminding us of the ever-present tensions and conflicts that could arise. The same technologies that enabled scientific breakthroughs could also be used for military purposes, casting a shadow over the spirit of cooperation. Satellites essential for communication and navigation could be turned into tools of espionage or even weapons, highlighting the dual-use nature of space technology. The line between cooperation and competition blurred, a dangerous ambiguity in the vast emptiness of space. This duality continues to challenge our aspirations for peaceful space exploration. The 21st century witnessed a renewed interest in space, but this time, the focus shifted from exploration to exploitation. The vast expanse of space, once a frontier for scientific discovery and human curiosity, began to be viewed through a different lens. Private companies joined the fray, launching satellites for communication, imaging, and even tourism. These ventures opened up new possibilities, transforming space into a bustling hub of commercial activity. This commercialization of space, while driving innovation, also intensified competition. Companies and nations alike raced to stake their claim in this new arena, pushing the boundaries of technology and ambition. Access to resources, strategic orbits, and control over space-based infrastructure became new points of contention. The stakes were high, and the competition fierce as entities vied for dominance. As tensions rose on Earth, they inevitably spilled over into space. The geopolitical struggles and rivalries of our planet found a new battleground among the stars. Nations began to invest heavily in space-based military capabilities. The race to develop advanced technologies for defense and offense in space accelerated. Anti-satellite weapons, laser systems, and sophisticated jamming technologies were developed and tested. These advancements marked a significant shift in the nature of space activities. Space, once seen as a sanctuary for scientific discovery, was becoming increasingly militarized. The peaceful aspirations of the past were overshadowed by strategic and military interests. The establishment of space forces by major powers signaled a worrying trend. These new military branches were tasked with securing national interests in the final frontier. What were once hypothetical scenarios discussed in wargaming rooms were becoming a tangible reality. The prospect of conflict in space was no longer a distant possibility. The potential for an arms race in space, with unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences, was a growing concern for the entire world. The international community faced the daunting challenge of preventing an escalation that could have dire repercussions for all of humanity.